Hey there everyone, in this quick video I'm going to talk about tree view layout in FreeCAD, and in order to access that we need to go to edit. Now go to preference, and here in general you can choose between combine or independent mode. Simply go here tree view and property view mode and choose independent. After clicking on independent, click OK. Now it will ask you to restart, so let's restart this. And now let me open the same model, and this time here you can see the tree view layout and the task, they are both separate. If you want to make it like it was before, then again go to edit, preferences, and then choose here combined. Now hit OK, again restart, and now again here you can see the task and model tree are together. I hope you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then subscribe to Engineering Rhythm to follow complete FreeCAD tutorial series, and I will see you around in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.